everything coming along over there?
I've been sitting here all day working.
Okay.
Like all day.
Anytime people can constantly take you there, they are controlling you.
Mm-hmm.
People gonna do what they gonna do. After you done went off so many times and cussed and rolled on in the mud, now you got a headache, your head spinning and all that. It's time to do something different. Obviously, this is not working. Her response was not working.
Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas day 3. Look at me being consistent. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. I've literally been working all day, like all day. My inbox is just, it's just going off. It's going off. I'm just now standing up for the first time in like 2 hours. So belly is like so tender. Like any girls out there that have kids or pregnant, have you all experienced, like, if I sit down in a certain position for too long and then I stand up, I get like cramps in the bottom of my stomach. It does not feel good at all. I am about to go to the store real quick because I need some stuff to make lunch. I want to make something for lunch. I'm not super hungry right now, but I'm gonna get hungry when I get hungry. If I don't have something here to cook that I want, I'm gonna end up ordering food. And I have been eating I've pretty much been eating whatever I want for a little while now. And yeah, I'm not trying to gain a bunch of weight. Like, I know that I'm going to gain weight, you know, baby weight, but I'm not trying to get fat now. I lost a lot of weight before getting pregnant, so I am not trying to go back in that direction, because it's hard to lose weight. I know plenty of y'all know it's hard to lose weight. It was very hard for me to lose weight. I went from 200, I think I was heaviest at like 208, and I went all the way down to 166 right before I got pregnant. And I stepped on that scale yesterday. I need to stop doing that. And I was up to 181. Yeah, so we need to slow down. But that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna still eat good. I need to cook more at home. You know, I have the house to myself today and this evening, so I'm gonna make something that I want, something really yummy. I think I'm just gonna do my homemade Alfredo pasta with some muffins. I picked this up because my mom was talking to me about this. Like, anybody else's parents used to make these muffins when you were a kid. I love the blueberry. We used to get blueberry or strawberry, but they didn't have strawberry at Jewel for some reason. So I got wild berry. I've never had wild berry before, but I'm probably gonna make blueberry tonight. So I'm gonna make blueberry muffins with pasta for dinner, which means I need to eat something kind of light for lunch. I don't want to eat anything too heavy because that's kind of a heavy meal for dinner. So I'm just making me a list real quick and go upstairs, put some clothes on, and fix my face a little bit. Oh my god, I've been looking so bummy all day, but I'm at home, I'm relaxed, I don't care. So, but I'm gonna fix my face a little bit, put some moisturizer on at least, and brush my eyebrows out before I go to the store, because we ain't trying to scare nobody. So I'm just gonna go to the store real quick, come back home. Yeah, and maybe I'll make some tacos. Maybe I make some chicken tacos for lunch. That sounds fine. Does that sound good, Benzo? All right, let me get myself together and let's get out of that house.
Then I'll be like, oh, that sucks. But I rarely ever talk to him or see him at any of the stuff he comes here to.
Back home, everybody. Been home for a little while. I just changed into my pajamas. And yeah, I had somebody over here doing some work in my kitchen, and he was supposed to come back like at 5:15. It's now 6:40. So it's safe to say he's not coming back tonight, which is fine. One, because I'm tired. I have literally been working all day. And I just want to make my dinner. It's Thursday night football. So I just want to make my dinner, watch some football, put my feet up, and relax. But now, since he didn't come back, I got dishes all over my floor. So first I gotta move all this stuff. It's like I'm used to being sore from working out, hiking, doing all those strenuous things. But now I'm sore from just standing up too long, sitting down too long, laying down too long, laying in the wrong position. Like, man, the road to motherhood, love it. Don't get me wrong, y'all. I am not complaining. I am so blessed. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. But this is my first go around, and man, it is really kicking my ass. But I'm grateful. God is good. God is good. Ugh. I couldn't find a muffin pan at the store. And I wasn't about to go to a bunch of different stores. This was literally just supposed to be like just a running out real quick. So we're gonna have to improvise. So instead of doing muffins, I'm going to do like a blueberry hot cake. It's like a big blueberry pancake. And I probably put it in one of my cast iron skillets and just stick it in the oven and cut it up like a piece of cake. It'll be, oh God, just as good. I'm so tired of burping. I'm out of breath. Really out of breath from bending over. I'm out of breath from bending over and picking up the dishes and taking them to the table. I gotta do one more time. One more time. Okay. Like earlier before I went to the store, I was trying to just lace up my Converse, bending over to tie my shoes. A thing of the past. It's about to be a thing of the past. I need to just get boots for the winter that I can just slip my foot into, because that bending over and tying my shoes, I can't. I'm on the verge of passing out every time I bend over and try to tie my shoe for any length of time. I can't do it anymore. I can't do it. I'm gonna watch some videos like how to tie your shoes while pregnant, because like I can put my foot up on the desk, the chair, or whatever, and tie my shoes that way, you know, stretch. But bending over, it's just not happening. It's not happening. And I'm not gonna keep trying. I'm not gonna keep trying. So I got myself a dessert too. Does it make me fat? Does that make me fat? I mean, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, but I'm definitely gonna have a nice healthy slice. Does that make me fat? It doesn't, right?
I'm gonna catch the rhythm,
I need to get you alone. Why not?